This is what your return would have been had you invested following the magic formula created by billionaire investor Joel Greenblatt. And this is what the stock market return over the same period would have been. Notice the difference? The magic formula is one of the few proven strategies to beat the market over the long term. And the best part about this is that with this strategy, not only can you beat the market, but you can also do it with less risk. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to beat the market step by step in a simple way anyone can follow. So the million-dollar question is, what in the world is the magic formula? The magic formula was created by billionaire and famous value investor Joel Greenblatt. The goal of the formula is to allow anyone to beat the market by following a series of steps. These steps, which will be explained during the video, will allow you to buy great businesses for a low price and then sell them at higher prices, beating the stock market over time. And don't take my word for it. Countless studies outside of Joel Greenblatt have proven that the formula works and is alive and well. But how can you determine whether or not you're buying a great business at a great price in this magic formula? Stay tuned as we uncover this step by step. Step 1. Find your universe of stocks. Using a stock screener like the one provided by Whitesheets on your spreadsheet, you're gonna need the following filters. The first filter is to make sure that you only get companies that have a market capitalization greater than 50 million. Then make sure to have this like this without selecting it so that you don't get any ETFs in your stock list, and that you select companies that are actively trading. The last filter is to select all the different sectors except the financial and utility stocks. Then click on Get Data and you will get a stock list generated like this. From here, make sure to filter out any international stocks by going on the country filter and only selecting the companies listed in the US. Then select this stock list, copy this stock list, and paste it on an empty tab. For the sake of simplicity, get rid of all these different columns right here. For that, make sure to select them and then click on delete. Think of this step as your financial diet plan. You're cutting out the international carbs to focus on the homegrown protein. Step 2. Obtain the earnings yield and return on invested capital of these companies. Think of the earnings yield as a meter. The higher the number, the lower the price that you're paying for a particular stock. This is what ensures the companies you will invest in have a low price. On the other hand, the return on invested capital is a meter that shows you how good of a business you're buying. Generally, great businesses produce high returns of capital, whereas bad ones produce low returns. This ensures you're buying high quality companies. To get them for your stock list, simply create two columns, one for the ROIC and the other for the earnings yield. Make sure to also type TTM as the period to get data from, because companies report financials at different times, and this essentially ensures that you're comparing apples to apples. Then head over to the Whitesheet screener and click on Get Data. From here, you will need to select the first 1,000 stocks and the two parameters on our table, then click on Get Data. After that, simply change the range to the next 1,000 stocks and repeat the same steps until you get the data for all of them. With this, we have the necessary data for the magic formula. And wait, do you smell that? It's starting to smell like market-beating returns. Rank the companies based on the earnings yield and the return on invested capital. For this, you will need to create two columns, the ROIC rank and the earnings yield rank. Then apply the rank.eq function like you're seeing right now, and then drag it down to get the ranking of all the different companies. don't forget to repeat this process, which is exactly the same for the earnings yield. After this, create a column called combined rank, and this will add the ranks of the two columns together, making it so that you can easily see the companies that have the best combination of being low priced and of great quality. From here, you can select all of your data and then click on the filter button. After that, go to the combined ranking filter and then apply that filter so that you can see the companies that rank the highest first. This way, the best companies rise to the top like cream in your morning coffee. Step 4. Make gradual investments. Start off by buying 5 to 7 of these companies with the top ranking. Make sure to only invest about 20 to 33% of the money you plan to invest in the first year. This will protect you from buying all stocks at the highest possible price. Once you're done, repeat this entire process every 2 to 3 months until you invest all the money that you wanted to invest. This will result eventually in 20 to 30 stocks in your portfolio, which will protect you from the risk of investing too much in a single stock. Which, now that I think about, you could call your magic 30, and this is because these 30 companies are gonna allow you to beat the market over time. Step 5. Sell your stocks and replace them. The best way to do this is to record when you bought each stock and to set a calendar reminder to sell it. After you sell those stocks, replace them with the new ones following the magic formula process. Step 6. Stay consistent. Make sure to continue with this process for at least 3 to 5 years so you can ensure you have positive results and beat the market. There you go. Now you know how to use the magic formula to beat the market, get bragging rights amongst your friends, and most importantly, build wealth for yourself and for your family. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.